G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm up to this stage doing around my door now. So I've cut my aluminium, mitered it nicely with my miter saw. You can do this too, DIYs. The miter saw I used only costs they're about $150 Australian. Cheap as. Tools are cheap as these days. So there's no excuse. If I see anyone using a hacksaw and trying to miter aluminium, I'll hit them with it. Buy a miter saw, DIYs. The money you're saving on doing your bathroom, you can buy one easy. So what I'm doing now, everyone, is polyurethane. It's good stuff. It's magic stuff, actually. Absolute magic. Why I've started up there is because I can see that at eye level. Instead of getting right down, you know, right down. There's no need to do all that sort of stuff. You start at eye level and just then work down. I'll tape it into place like so. We're good to go. I had a bit of a whoopsie here. I was when I was cutting these, I had a couple fall. Piss me off. I've got to take that tile out now, but I'm busy doing other stuff at the moment. I'll take it out when I get a chance. When I get a chance, people. Just like so. Do I have to try and take a little bit off? No. I'll be right. Nice. So I'll be grouting this tomorrow. Geez, it's quiet without my radio. keeping an eye on that line so it matches up. Right, 2 more. I like the rounded profile instead of the square, because if I have a little bit sticking out when I cut it, like say that, like that, that's sticking out a little bit, with the shape of that, I don't need to trim them. Oh, did I cut that too long? If it doesn't fit, give it a bash. No, I'm only kidding, people. That's nice. Nice. And then I put up a couple of, well, I'll put up a full length there. We're laughing. My next one, that side, should be the same size. I'll cut one and see. There should be, but I only need to be a little bit different in my wall with my glue. It should be pretty close. I could actually be just a bee stick. Oh no, that's not bad. That's cool. I'm happy with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll cut 7. I'll come back to you when I'm doing the top. See you soon. Yo! All I've got to do then, once I zap up there, what do we got? Oh yeah, it's only 11:30. I've then got that niche to do and around that window, so I'll architrave that. That's cool. I can easy do around the top tomorrow morning before I grout. I need to take up this tile. Oh, bummer. But anyway, I need to take it up before the like the glue's a couple of days old. I don't want it to get too hard. So it's better to get into it and lift your tile. And don't let days go by and then your glue gets harder and harder and no. Okay, see you soon. It's going to come out nice. Nice. See ya.